Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a CC in your Gmail. Let's begin. Once you have successfully opened your Gmail, I want you to click on Compose, alright? So we can make an email. Next, you will have the option to add recipients, subject, and the email itself, right? First, I would like you to click over here. You will actually have the option to click on the recipients, add them in here. If you're going to notice on the right side, there's going to be an option which is called CC. You can hover on it and it shows add CC recipients or utilize the shortcut key which is Control Shift C. I'm going to click this and see what happens, okay? It added a new option in here or a tab layer that we can add CC and add recipients over here. So that's it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.